Oh my god, I wasn't even recording. Okay, so this is the aftermath of yesterday's storm. I know, beautiful, right? I think down there, garbage truck or maybe a snowplow. Hopefully a snowplow. Abandoned car right here. Abandoned car further down, right behind that taxi. And then a little further down past those people, it looks like about maybe one or two other abandoned cars. And of course you have all these huge drifts covering everything. Sorry, taking pictures. Someone plowing. And our driveway looks insane. Did I take a picture? And one person trying to also take pictures, I guess. One guy made it through the snow from down the street. And you hear sirens coming from somewhere, not really sure where. There we go. Although I don't know how they could get to anybody. It's kind of difficult getting around. I got plowing, super huge drifts. As long as I've lived in this neighborhood, never have I seen it this bad. Beyond insanity. Hopefully it gets cleaned up before Friday. Gotta get out somehow.